Hello student, today my topic is chemical properties of alcohol. It is categorized into three parts. First is reaction of oxygen hydrogen atom, reaction of CO, that is carbon oxygen bond of COH group, reaction of alkyl group. First is reaction of this one, H atom of OH group. So when H bond get break from this and form H atom or H ion, it behaves like a weak Bronsted acid, but they do not affect pH of litmus paper as the acidity is low. So it not affected the litmus paper. The order of reactivity of alcohol is like this: methyl alcohol, primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. See, just understand the simple thing. Methyl group is electron releasing group. It release in a electron continuously. So if it just release electron continuously, the complex or the molecules which it attach to, see, it becomes negative. So here in primary alcohol, only one alkyl group is here. So it gives the electron to oxygen and it becomes electronegative. But in secondary alcohol, two alkyl groups are there. So it becomes more electronegative. As compared to secondary, tertiary alcohol, they have three alkyl group. So they all three give negative charge to oxygen, and the electronegativity is more here as compared to secondary and primary alcohol. So the attraction between oxygen and H is more. So the reactivity get decreases. As compared to primary alcohol and secondary alcohol, the reactivity is less, as the negativity of oxygen is less, because alkyl group is only one. So it gives the electron to it, so it have less negativity as compared to secondary or tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol have more negativity as compared to secondary and primary, because it has three alkyl group. On the opposite, the primary is more stable as compared to secondary and tertiary alcohol, because the stability of alkoxide means this oxide, alkoxide, because H is removed from each and every alcohol, primary alcohol also, secondary alcohol also, and from tertiary alcohol also. There is no H, only alkoxide ion is more in primary alcohol as compared to tertiary alcohol. It is less stabilized as the negativity is more. It is, as compared to this, it is more stabilized as the negativity of this oxygen is less as compared to this oxygen. And in primary alcohol, it is more stable, because only one alkyl group is there and negativity of oxygen is less as compared to secondary and tertiary alcohol. Now come to reaction with metals. Metals like Na, K, Ca, Mg, they form alkoxide with evolution of hydrogen, such as this. This is the alcohol. When it react with Na or K or Ca or Mg, they form this thing, alkoxide, ONa or OK or OCa or OMg with evolution of hydrogen. In primary alcohol react with cold water, and tertiary alcohol react on heating. Now come to second reaction with carboxylic acid. It is also known as esterification, because ester is formed. Alcohol react with carboxylic acid in presence of dehydrating, means which removes water molecule. Dehydrating agent like sulfuric acid, HCl, zinc chloride. All these three are dehydrating agent, remember, because they remove water molecule from the alcohol. So when this is the oic acid, carboxylic acid, when react with alcohol, it removes this water molecule HHO. So, and dehydrating, in the presence of these dehydrating agent, they form ester and water. So this is known as esterification also. Now come to acylation. In this, OH group is substituted by acyl group. It reacts with acid halide or acid anhydride to form the ester. This is the acid halide and this is alcohol. When acid halide react with alcohol, it forms ester and HCl. Again, when acid anhydride react with alcohol, it forms ester and carboxylic acid. Now, reaction with Grignard reagent. When Grignard reagent react with alcohol, it forms alkane. Reaction with dimethyl sulfate. This is the dimethyl sulfate. Al-methyl, 2 methyl is there and sulfate, 1 sulfate is there. So H atom of OH group is replaced by methyl group. This methyl group replace here hydrogen and join itself to it. See, ROCH3. There is 2 CH3. So one CH3 is with this and another CH3 with hydrogen sulfate. So it just depart the H ion from O. Dimethyl sulfate, when it react with dimethyl sulfate, it get depart the H ion. So my question is for today is, what is the order of reactivity? Why H ion act as a weak acid, give reaction of alcohol with metal, carboxylic acid, and acid anhydride, Grignard reagent and dimethyl sulfate. Thank you.